And yes, those two people have proclaimed their innocence in the case, but one will get another day in court, thanks in part to unorthodox work done by his attorney and certainly unorthodox investigative work done by his mother.
You think this just happened to my son and my family? It happened to thousands and thousands. We're talking about an epidemic of wrongful convictions.
Doreen Giuliano talks about what happened to her son, 31-year-old John Juca, in one of the most talked about murders in recent New York history.
It's believed the killing took place as part of an initiation into a street-level gang run by Juca known as the Ghetto Mafia.
This is the scene today where then 19-year-old Fairfield University football star Mark Fisher was found dead with bullet wounds in his torso and head in October 2003. He'd been at a party where two people, Antonio Russo and Juca, had been also. Both were convicted of the murder, but Juca's claim of innocence. Your son? Where was he?
3 blocks away.
It's garnered a lot of attention by some skeptics, like the author of this book on the murder, and by many supporters, including nearly 2,000 people who signed the petition to free John Juca. Supporters include the screenwriters for 2 different proposed films.
Nicole Kidman is going to play my part.
And this week, a judge re-examined evidence in the case and found enough reason to question Juca's conviction that the case will be thoroughly reheard. Among the reasons why, as this article in Vanity Fair pointed out a few years back, Juca's mother went undercover and got a juror to confess to misconduct.
He didn't know John, but he knew his friends. He knew of things that they've done which tainted him. He believed that my son was Jewish, and he admitted that he hated Jewish people.
And she and her son's attorney showed in court prosecutors may have also improperly carried out the case by having a false witness testify against Juca.
10 years later, like I said, he was riddled with guilt, and he had confessed that he lied.
Now, the Brooklyn District Attorney's Office has issued a statement saying they are standing by this conviction and, quote, are confident that after a fair and thorough proceeding, it will be upheld. That rehearing is scheduled for November 16th.